I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to submit a zero tax return online for private employees. First, determine if you meet the criteria for filing a zero return. This typically applies if your income is below the standard deduction amount for your filing status. You'll need to gather any income statements, such as a Form W-2 or Form 1099, even if they show zero or minimal earnings. This initial step is crucial to ensure you are eligible before proceeding with the online submission process. Next, select a reliable online tax filing platform. Many services, including some government-sponsored options, offer free filing for those with simple tax situations, which often includes zero income returns. Ensure the platform you choose explicitly supports filing a return with no taxable income. Carefully review the terms to confirm there are no hidden fees for this specific type of submission. This step ensures you use an authorized and appropriate method. Now, proceed to enter your personal details accurately into the chosen online platform. When prompted for income, ensure you report all relevant figures, even if they amount to zero. The system will guide you through sections for wages, interest, and other income types. Before finalizing, take ample time to meticulously review your entire return for any potential errors or omissions. A careful review prevents future complications and ensures accuracy. Finally, electronically sign and submit your completed zero tax return. Most online platforms will provide a confirmation number or email once your submission is successful. It is vital to save a digital or physical copy of your submitted return for your personal records. This documentation can be important for future reference or if any questions arise. Also, for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing product, along with other great deals, in the description below this video. Don't miss out on upgrading your cleaning routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.